we go. Oh. Oh, he's still on there. Angry fish. Nice one. There we go. He's bleeding a little, so we're gonna get a quick picture and get him back. Okay, here he goes. Back in he goes. Down the river he goes. There we go, another angry fish. Where's he at? Oh, there he is. Oh, he's really angry. Oh, he's really angry.
That's a good one.
Nice.
Pretty.
Nice, nice. Hold on.
I know, buddy. Oh, I can just go around.
Yep. Okay, there's another one. There we go. Okay, here we go. There he goes. Off he went. Cool. It's another little nice angry guy. I missed the hook set on this one. Thought I had my camera on and I didn't. Okay. Alrighty, we're gonna get this little guy back so he can cause havoc. There he goes. Woohoo! Deer. It's a deer. Look on the side of the hill. It's just a deer.
Please tell me you didn't get that on camera. Scared myself.
Yeah, I did. You know how Jamie gets those warnings on her hunting game, on her video game? That's what that crow's doing. He's warning everybody.
Jamie, be quiet. It ate my shoe.
Well, now you're gonna have to reach down in there and get your shoe.
What did I tell you?
Honey, smile. Oh, that's going in the video. That's going in the video. Yes, it is. That is going in the video.
I thought I was like that right there. Hard. See if I got over here. It's just dark. Not gonna kill me. Oh. Alright, I'm getting the hell out of that. That is one lesson, folks. Today, don't
Yeah.
do that.
Watch where you're walking.
Exactly.
There we go. Angry fish on. know he's nowhere near as big as the other ones, but good enough to catch. We'll take him right there, everyone. Okay, here we go. There he went. There we go. Angry fish on. Angry fish on. It's a nice one. He's a nice one. Right there. Another nice little brownie.
He's cute.
Here we go. There he goes. Bye! Oh! Angry fish! Angry fish! Angry fish! Angry fish! Angry fish! Nice one too! Alrighty. There you go, little guy. Back to your home. Why did you invite him? You invited him. See, he's looking at you.
I did not invite him. I'm sitting right here. I am not moving. You got red on. Ain't helping me. You just stay over there. We're not bothering you. I'm just going to fish. Okay?
Hey, big boy.
You're crazy.
How you doing? Come on. Come on. Hey, big boy. I see you're back. Caught an angry little one off screen right there. So cute. There he goes. Hey, big boy. Hey. Stephanie sure does pick up speed when there's a bull behind her. See that? She's starting to leave me behind.
Oh, we gotta go this way.
Yeah.
Bye, buddy. We'll see you next time.
Bye, handsome.
Bye, buddy.
See you later.